Yes. So what happened? Main aims of the non-cooperation movement were demand for Swaraj. They wanted to reduce the wrongs against Punjab. Methods adopted for the non-cooperation: thousands of students left government-controlled schools and colleges. Many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Rajagopalachari and Asaf Ali gave up their practices. British titles were surrendered and legislatures boycotted. People lit public bonfires of foreign cloth. Non-cooperation became non-violent in most of the places. Some interpreted Gandhi's message in their own ways. In Kheda, Patidar peasants against highland revenue. In Andhra, Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were closed. Tribal and poor peasants started forest satyagraha against new forest laws. In Sindh and Bengal, support Khalifat movement. In Punjab, Sikh demanded to remove corrupt Mahants from Gurdwaras. In Assam, tea garden laborers demanded to increase wages. This is the time what happened. The disobedient movement, the non-violent movement. Gandhiji referred to as Gandhi Raja, People's Mahatma. Some thought Gandhiji as a messiah, some credit him with their achievements. Tribal and peasants undertook action that did not conform to his idealism. They took in a different turn. They started doing action. 1922-1929. February 1922, police station in Chauri Chaura set fire. 22 policemen killed. Mahatma Gandhi fell side and call of the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji followers started constructive work. Chatta Ranjan Das and Motilal Nehru wanted to fight election to the council. Bhagat Singh revolutionary took active part. In 1927, British sent commission headed Simon Commission. In 1929, with Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress fight for Purna Swaraj. Then the Dandi March comes. Gandhi and other nationalists believed sinful to tax salt. 1930, Gandhi started the march to break the salt law. March from Sabarmati coastal town to Dandi. 240 miles, they made salt from seawater. I'm just giving you the basic information. 1935, the Government of India Act Provincial Autonomy. 1937, the government elections to the provincial legislatures. Congress formed government in 7 out of 11 sectors. 1939, Second World War broke out. Congress leaders ready to support British on condition of independence after the war. British refused and Congress resigned the protest. Quit India and later. 1942, Quit India movement started by Gandhiji. Gandhiji urged people to do or die. Gandhiji and other leaders arrested, but movement spread. People set up their own government. By the end of 1943, 90,000 people arrested, 1,000 killed. The rebellion brought the British Raj to its knee. They made them come down towards independence and partition. Quit India movement, I told you. Civil disobedience, independence and partition towards independence. 1940, Muslim League moved resolution demanding independent state, not partition or Pakistan. Provincial elections in 1930 convinced the League that Muslims were a minority. Congress did well in the general constituencies and League succeed in getting reserved seat for Muslims. Failure in cabinet. March 1946, the 3-member cabinet mission sent to Delhi to suggest suitable framework for independence. After the failure of the cabinet mission, the Muslim League demanded for Pakistan. 16th August 1946, Direct Action Day. Riots broke out in Calcutta. Thousands were dead. By March 1947, violence spread in North India. Millions of people forced to flee from their home, tortured and killed. The Hindu-Muslim riots. Pakistan, a new country, was born. Many cities of India changed. Joy of independence intermingled with the pain and violence of the partition. Sisters became separated. 14th August Pakistan independence, 15th August Indian independence. Bangladesh became East Pakistan until 1971, and the disputed border is still there of Jammu Kashmir. Pakistan went off to Pakistan, India, Rajasthan and everything came into India. Understood? Now, Gandhiji's earlier career in South Africa, 1919 to 1939, trip to South Africa in relation with a case involving his client Dada Abdullah. Problems with Indians in South Africa, racial discrimination, no right to vote, live only in prescribed locations where were congested. Moderate phase of struggle, 1894 to 1906. Set up a Natal Indian Congress and started a paper Indian Opinion. Mostly relied on sending petitions and memorandums to the government highlighting the problems of the people. That was the main cause. The national movement. Phase of passive resistance or Satyagraha 1906 to 1914, Satyagraha against registration certificate 1906. Campaign against restrictions of Indian migration, setting up a Tolstoy farm and Phoenix settlement. Campaigns against poll tax invalidation of Indian marriages. Gandhi in India returns on 9 January 1915, right? 9 January 1915 he comes to India. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915. Decided to tour the country for 1 year, not in favor of Home Rule League movement. Champaran Satyagraha, first civil disobedience 1917. Requested by Rajkumar Shukla to look into the problems of indigo planters of Champaran and Bihar. Tinkatiya system, Gandhi joined the Rajendra Prasad, J.B. Kriplani. Gandhiji was made a member of the committee to look into the problems of the peasants. 25% of illegal dues collected from the peasants paid back. That was done. Ahmedabad mill strike, first hunger strike 1918. Dispute between mill owners and workers over issue of discontinuation of plague bonus. Gandhiji demanded 35% increase in the wages, supported by Ambalal Sarabhai and his wife Sarla Devi. Anusaya Sen, pioneer of women's labour movement in India, founded the Ahmedabad Textile Labour Association with Gandhi. The Kheda Satyagraha 1918, first non-cooperation movement, failure of crops due to drought. Sardar Patel and Indulal Yagnik joined Gandhi. It is there in the book. Okay. So read through your book. I have explained everything and you try to understand it. I have given you all point by point. You have to read and try to understand. Okay. In the next class, I'll come and give you what is left in the more details. Whatever is left. Satyagraha, Rola Act, I told you, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Roland Satyagraha, then we had the Khilafat non-cooperation movement, then we have the development of the Khilafat non-cooperation program, then we have the Nagpur headed by the Nagpur December 1920 session, spread of the movement, okay, then the end of the non-corporation movement, government responses. Gandhiji threatens to launch civil disobedience from Bardoli. Chauri Chaura incident 1922, the non-cooperation movement withdrawn, civil disobedience will start. Swarajists and non-changers, Swarajists, non-changers, and Swaraj is allowed to contest in elections, split among the Swarajists, the lines of responsivist and non-responsivists. Members of the SHRA, we have the bombing assembly, we have the Kakori robbery, we have the Sounder mothers. Okay, revolution of terrorism in 1920, Punjab, UP, Bihar, the HRA, Hindustan Republic Association founded by Ram Prasad Bismil, Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee and Sachin Sannai. The Kakodi robbery, Bismil, Ashfaqullah, Roshan Singh and Rajendra Lahiri hanged in the Kakodi robbery. So these things happened. Bengal assassination attempt on Calcutta Police Commissioner Charles Tegat, another man they got killed by Gopinath Saha. Chittagong Armory raid led by Surya Sen, helped by Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh and Loknath Baul, planned to copy 2 armories in Chittagong. Women members of group was Pratila Lata Vadekar and Kalpana Dutt. Anti-Simon Commission. Okay. Then we have the Simon Go Back, events leading to CDM, civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji's 11th demand, the general industries and for the peasants. Then his Dandi March started, Sabarmati Ashram to Porbandar. Raja Gopalacharya salt march in Tamil Nadu, Kilapan's march in Kerala and Dharshana salt agitation. Launch of civil disobedience movement Dandi March. Spread of the movement. Gandhiji Arvind Pact, unaccepted demands, Karachi session, Gandhiji versus Ambedkar on casteism. So these are all you have to read. The Gandhiji Harijan campaign. So you have to read yourself. So till then, take care. Read the chapter. I have given you the points. I have explained it. Now it's your duty to read and understand and do the homework. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.